The streets don't give a fuck if you crip or blood. For acting thug, you niggas getting it slug. Instead of going to school and gaining knowledge, you end up in court charged with more degrees than college. Rest in peace to Cisco, from the bottom of my heart. When I heard the news, my nigga, it tore me apart. Rest in peace to D-Dot and Leon. Even though I'm sad, life goes on. Living in jail is hell, not heavenly. The power of God put 3 angels around me. Nobody want to get killed when they numbers call, but when the phone rings, you gotta answer, God. The devil's on the next line trying to get through, and if you answer that call, he manipulates you, make you shoot niggas and kill too. And when he don't need your service, another worker will kill you. Jails ain't built for us black people. Jails is built for people that's evil. Rap nowadays garbage, ain't lyrical. Do your research, get more biblical. My lines bomb, landmines is grenades. Rap game watered down like Kool-Aid. The new talent ain't fucking with me at all. Season like autumn, y'all niggas gon' fall. Exactly. I know. Yeah. Yeah, I know what it is. You know what I mean? 9 million up in the building. You already know what it is. I does this. Holla. Peace.